The following video contains scenes that is not suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know what I watch? Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. I am here again. Big up and respect to each and every one. Now I have a video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. But before I present this video to you, I'm going to explain a little bit about this video so that you can have an understanding what this video is about, because this video is somewhat of a shocking video that is out there on social media. Alright? Now the video that I am going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, this video is going to show Hanover Division police officers within the country of Jamaica arresting a person. And the person who had been arrested by the Hanover Division Police was resisting arrest. This video shows a physical altercation between the person who was resisting arrest and the police officers. Alright? At one point of the video, one of the police officers pulled a firearm and fired a shot in the air. And in this video, you will hear persons using harsh languages as well. Alright? Now, I do not have any information as to when this incident happened or when this video had been recorded, nor do I have any information as to why these police officers had arrested this person who was resisting arrest. Alright? I said was resisting arrest. Now, this video shows some aggressive and violent behaviors. Alright? This video shows when other police officers arrived at the scene of that incident. Alright? And to make it be very clear, this video had been recorded within the country of Jamaica. This incident that this video shows, this incident happened within the country of Jamaica. Alright? Now the reason why I am bringing this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, is because this video is out on social media and it's being talked about on social media. I mean, comments had been made about this video on social media, you know. Some of these comments gave me the understanding that some persons are saying that these police officers need more training, you know. Some of these comments gave me the understanding that some persons are saying that these police officers was wrong, or one of the police officers was wrong, you know. And some of these comments gave me the understanding that some persons are saying no, the police officers was not wrong. And you know, other comments have been made about this video on social media. Alright? Now, I'm going to present this video to you so that you can have a look at it. You can also tell me what you think. You can tell me if you think these police officers was wrong or not. You can tell me if you think they need more training or not. Is what I'm saying to you? Yeah. You can let me know what you think overall about the entire video. Alright? Now, as I am about to present this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video, it is not suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Alright? Alright. Now, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
So why they approach me like that before?
Well, you know what you're talking about.
Hold it.
Well, come on now, John.
Yo, we're gonna use brute force. We're not use brute force. We're not use brute force. I know some things. We're not use brute force. Yeah, we're not use brute force. Big man thing. Big man thing. We're not use brute force.
You want me a video something? Talk to me now.
A government.
You see how you
Be just talk to me when I listen to you.
We're start it first. We're start it first. And a government work at all. So unfair. That me tell you. The man does not come from reverse. And the man goes to boom and tell you. I'm going to boom.
Now you first slip me. Now you first slip me.
Police, government and licky man. Good fighting there when they pan a while ago. Fighting. And the one you move, come on, gunshot fire, lick you know.
Everybody sees that. Yo, young you, just relax, brother. Young you, just relax.
Please stay on the call, you know.
Young you, just relax.
Hear me?
Just relax.
Me a video it.
Relax, man. relax, man. Watch it. Now big man, you know, man. Now government. Where you go to fire out there? All man, mind and discharge the fire out there. Okay, I kill everybody out there, nobody. Yeah. Wanna relax, man. A show, man. A government. Look at the man shot. Big old water commission. That's why the man shot. I'm gonna deal with him. Why you going like you're
Shabba not going ahead. Shabba not going ahead.
No, that's why you deal with him, man. That's why you deal with him, man. Just relax, young you. Just settle yourself, man. I want to kill up yourself, man. Relax. Relax, man. Yeah, man, I ain't supposed to get man, of course. Everybody out there see that. I'm being your witness, of
Long time starting.
being your witness, of course. I ain't supposed to get the man. Everybody see that.
I'm working to come from.
I want the man, but the man tell them that.
No, let off him.
I let the man tell them. And I see that. Yo, cool ring. Yo.
Yo, sin take out thing gun there, no. Oh. Buck like gunshot, lick out me ears. You know. Got me catch a gunshot in a ear, you know. When I come for work and the police them bomb buckle to match up him man. Where him man come from? Fire gunshot. When I come for work and I play music and they go in and them a style man. Ali gunshot me catch pani fire. Of course, Ali. No man, Ali gunshot me catch. Yo, me feel like me deaf. Good? I'm supposed to give man, me see it from the God. Yeah, man, take pussy all it, man.
No, but the one side the bigger man,
Yeah, man, take it. Put on your blood.
What's it? Yo, clap one more time. Clap that.
Yeah,
Clap more time.
Get your phone, get your brick.
No money time now. We no afraid of more car with the Iris. Licking I'm.
We see everything. We see everything.
See everything I go on the camera too. I shot fire and thing, you know, man. Make it someone to drive back on him.
Man, just come here, sell it to while.
And then the person say man come here by night time. Because you're going to be excited over it. Because you don't tell them people. You know that. Because it's a road that can't name police a road that nobody will trouble you. You know that, bad man. So if you move so nobody around you. And you come up and you come. If someone has a plump up on the man. We're all going to have to put down. And we walk to the wall.
This thing happening.
You say, we're all going to have to put down.
He could have shoot him, man, you know. He could have shoot him, man, you know. But guess what going on? They catch everything on the camera, you know. For the gunfire on the camera. For the gunfire on the camera.
So anybody else could have get shot. And you discharge your life for your arm. And you know use it. Boy, you're going to get shot to that too. We're not eat that around here. Remember that. Discharge your firearm.
Yeah, man, you can get the phone when you come go and quote it there, man. Gunshot at the fire there, pan.
Listen up, you have everything. You can see
Yo, things up on the only gunfire.
everything now
Of course, when Mario comes and says everything when they go on and top fist up him, man. We see what they go on in top. Lord God. And a soldier man, a police.
I hear that thing that bad man. You can't hear the man for bad man. You hear that thing that bad man.
Hey, what's that camera? Everything there, you know. Everything there, you know. Everything there, you know. Everything there, you know. Everything there. Everything there. Look at thing in his room. When you fire a shot, you catch it right as well. Yo, I have some coffee man, you know. And call a man this up, you pop down the fence, that man they beat him man in the fence, right? So they beat him man in the fence, right? So and you come one fire man. Man, me not happen. Yo, me nearly deaf to pussy class. Some top on man for a gun, that's a brother. And headphone, I'm yes, no. In a ear. It's like one dirty. Look at this one. Look at one dirty. A dirty. One long round there. See a rust on the go around there. Yeah, it's a man dirty.
Why that in a dog?
Dirty. Dirty. Whole I'm dirty. Dirty. It's one a raga up. No, money time. No, we have.
Oh, what are man? You see the police, but you know the police. That's good. Eh? Ya bisa. Ganja dia yang gulung deh. Hola. But man, you know Johnson people. You know Johnson people. I'm not sure. You can't tell me that, man. Boy, I say, pull on your gun, boy, and come fight you to me. Let your fiddle. Pull on your blood.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, there you have it. You don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. I am only here to keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on. Alright, I saw this video out on social media. It's been talked about on social media. I mean, comments had been made about this video on social media. So I bring this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can have a look at it. You can also tell me what you think. And like I said, to keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on. Alright? Alright. Now here's where I'm going to leave it. So until next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Yeah, man. Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.